See what the first one. Oh my god, that was a fail. Wow, what was that? That man good. Why would you do that, bro? What's good, Drake gang? It's your boy Drake. Only. Captain 2-time checking back. What's up, boys? Hope I'm having a great day, man. I'm having an awesome day, man. Hey, you can tell by the title, man. We got the NFL press the wrong button moments, bro. That's gonna be a very good video, man. Hey, it's an interesting title, man. You know what I'm saying? Press the wrong buttons moments. I'm guessing this is just moments where it's like based on Madden, where it's like, bro, you in a predicament. You press B when you're supposed to press Y. You press Y when you're supposed to press X. You just press the wrong button, and it just looks cringy. And then yeah, it's gonna be a complete fail. So I can't wait to see these, bro. This is in real life, not in Madden. So it's gonna be a real good video, man. I hope y'all boys ready. I'm ready. Let's go. Get it, man. You see what the first one. Oh my god, that was a fail. I was just about to say, let's see what the first one is. That boy hit Y way too early, my boy. You hit Y and triangle way too early, my boy. That was mad tough. But what the heck was that, bro? I played this. But you accidentally hit LB or L1 if you're on the PS4. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. But that's mad tough right there, bro. What was you even thinking right there, Wilson? You can't just take that shot, my boy. You just completely turned over the whole ball, bro. Look at Matt Ryan. He didn't even know he even snapped the ball. Yo, he didn't even know he even snapped the ball, bro. I don't even know what happened on that play, but it is what it is, bro. Matt Ryan, how, bro? Who was you even throwing to? There was only one receiver there and three Falcons and three Panthers. I mean, three whatever jerseys there. Come on, man. He just pressed Y way too early. Like, let's go.
Tries to keep the play alive and throw it away.
That way loafed that out of bounds. That way hit R3 just straight. Hey, I don't know what happened on that one. That way connection must have been lagging while he was taking the field goal. That way booted that thing way over there.
And Brown gets stopped. Ball is loose.
Look at this gook though. That man good. Why would you do that, bro? Yo, that was so dumb, bro. Like,
picked off. How sloppy was that?
I don't even know.
Littleton with the intercept. And he breaks it.
Let's go there. Hey. Ooh, let's go. What that? Bro, did you see who you wanted to spin, bro? That man hit an open spin that open field to nobody, bro. That man hit a spin on nobody, bro. Yo.
He threw for Ike Hilliard.
What the heck? What up? What the heck was that? Oh Lord, look at this moron. Look at Matt Ryan. This is like the third time in this one day I saw you do some fool stuff, bro. Like, bro. Come on, Matt.
Able to fall on it.
You tripping, bro? Come on, Matt.
And the Redskins will pump.
Bro, what's up with these QBs not knowing he's snapping the ball, bro? And yeah, that boy threw that wide open freaking interception with like 42 seconds left in the game. Wow. Bro, he ain't even try. Yo, you released, bro. Matter of fact, hey, 39, you released, bro. I can't let you slide with that type of effort on my team, bro. You released, bro. There ain't no way. I'm sorry. 4th and 5. And he just throws it down to the ground, huh?
No chance, and the car had to throw.
That's hilarious. You could have just threw it to somebody instead of throwing it down to the ground. It's already 4th down. And what the heck? I swear to God, if Ravens didn't get this ball, bro, Ed Reed, you release, bro. Ain't no way.
And they just has to throw it away of all things.
This is the third time today. QB's not knowing he's snapping the ball. Wow, what was that? What was that? So some of these not even press wrong button moments. Some of these are just plain stupid moments, bro. Like, just plain low IQ moments, bro. Like,
From the
a lot of
16.
these are not pressing the
Here's
wrong
Prescott.
button. They're just low IQ movements.
Freedom in the pocket and now
That's
running away.
crazy. Look at Prescott. Prescott, who do you think you is, my boy?
Shy of the first.
I know you just didn't try to hurdle him, bro. I know you did not try to do that, bro.
Down at 8 seconds left. No, he can't do that. It was fourth down. Fourth down.
And then he just spiked the ball on fourth down.
Blitz.
Low IQ moments, bro.
And he threw
Some of
it
these should have been low IQ moments.
midfield. Grabbed by Marcus Peters,
That's
and
crazy.
Peters returns it.
And he'll come around the right side.
Right, though.
Ted Gibbs.
Right, though. Right, though.
Down the sideline he goes, and he
That
gets
boy face
wrestled
mask, and that boy, dang, that boy twisted his head around.
It says caught.
Let's go, though. Oh, yeah, I remember this. 1 to 2 seconds left. Yeah,
Comes in, he's got him.
this was possibly the best game.
In, and he just all he's got.
I'm not even gonna lie, that was disgusting.
And that
Man.
is caught. He goes to the tight end, and that's Darren Fells riding the Eagles all the way
But
to
why did
the
he press the wrong
7-yard
button?
line.
I guess he was trying to strip him. He was trying to strip that boy. He pressed L1 to try to strip him.
Picked off again.
That's not tough.
Good move upfield. Brown.
Oh yeah, I remember this.
Special teamers.
I don't know what button this is, but everybody said,
Bruh. Kicks him in. And a flag is thrown.
I don't know what button that is, but that boy had the motor controller hit the that boy had the extra kung fu button on that.
Defensive stop.
Yo,
4th and 4.
Get to New England.
either that or he just pressed Y and tried to
He's
hurt
going to
him.
get sacked, and he's going to just throw it up for grabs, and it's
So yeah, that was horrible, Tom Brady. I ain't even gonna lie. That was possibly, arguably. Oh my God, you about to light him up on fire.
Bruh.
What the? What the? Oh, you released.
Bruh.
You released. You had a clear shot to light the freaking quarterback up, bro. You had a clear shot to light up Andy Dalton, bro. And you missed and let him score. You're released. No.
Cooks, who tries to hurdle and can't.
He caught that boy in midair too, but I'm still stuck on that other play,
So
bro.
Cooks, who came over and a sweeping.
How you missed that wide open tackle on Andy Dalton, bro?
4th and 6, and Fitzpatrick intercepted by
That's
Tony
mad tough,
Lippett.
bro.
He can't.
That's mad tough. Hey, bro, this is a cool video, though, man. Shout out to D for judging, bro. Hope y'all boys enjoyed this video. If you're watching right now, appreciate you seeing in this video, bro. Bow.